Hey, this is Scott with SERVPRO. I'm here with my youngest daughter, Betsy. It's been super busy the last couple days here in Minneapolis. Lots and lots of rain. We're getting tons of calls for flooded basements and failed sump pumps. So I don't know, Betsy. I think we might need to put you out there on the field. You ready to help?
I'm ready to go.
All right. We're pulling out all the stops here to make sure we get to customers as quickly as possible. If you need help, call us 24/7 at 952-473-4837.